Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm doing great. How about you? I'm passing a really good time. Well, may I have your name? So my name is Faria Zaman. You can call me Faria. May I have your name? Yeah, sure. My name is Rifa, but you can call me Rifa as it's my nickname. So where are you from? Basically, I'm from Banasree, but currently I live at Banasree in Dhaka. What about you? Well, basically, I'm from Pabna, but currently I'm living in Banasree just like you. So how long have you been a resident of Banasree? Um, I have been living in Banasree for past 5 years. What about you? Well, it's not even a year since I'm new here, but yes, I think that Banasree is a place where you can find all the things like close to your house. So I think that we will have a great time here. Anyway, so may I know about your hobbies? Basically, my hobbies are dancing, writing, journal or poetry, and sometimes watching movies, as I love watching movies a lot. Mm, then which class are you in? Well, I'm in class 9. What about you? I'm in class 8 in Nagad School and College. Alright. So, how long have you been a student of Ideal School and College? I've been a student of Ideal School and College since 8 years. What about you? Well, since I've been in the School and College, and I've been a student of VNSC since class 1. Alright, so how many members are there in your family? There are 4 members in my family, my father, mother, and my younger sister, and me. Can you describe them? Basically, my father is a service soldier and my mother is a homemaker. My younger sister is a student of class 3 in National School and College. What is your dream job? I don't have a certain dream job. Firstly, if I have to talk about my email life, then firstly I want to complete my SSC and HSC. Then I want to go to study. I want to go study abroad. So that's it. All right. So I want to be a psychologist in future because I think human nature and human brains is very much complex. And the more we get to know about a person, their personality, the more we can go with them, the more we can get close to them. And I think that is very much important that we will have basic knowledge about human nature, though it's very much complex. But I do think that one day I can accomplish my dream job. All right. So, which country are you looking forward to study in the future? I'm looking for USA. It's my dream country. Why did you choose USA? There's lots of countries. Because I think for studying, it's the best country, and as well as I'll get some extra benefits if I go to study there. Because lots of my relatives live there, so this is why I chose this country. Do you like traveling? Yes, I like traveling a lot, but I don't get much leisure time to travel in many places. So that's why I've never traveled to anywhere else. Well, I think traveling is really good, either for your mental health or physical health. It also helps you to explore around the world and it helps you to earn a lot of knowledge that you won't get from your surroundings. Sometimes it's better to get to know about the outer world too. So, can you describe your favorite fruit? My favorite fruits are watermelon and mangoes. Mangoes is my most favorite, as it's also a fruit from my hometown, as my hometown is Rajshahi. As you obviously know that Rajshahi is famous for mangoes. So mango is my most favorite fruit. Alright, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is navy blue, and as well as brown and gray. What about you? Well, I like all shades of color, but mostly black and green. Green because I like nature and it represents a great part of nature, and black because it has the visibility of elegance and it also expresses a curiosity of a person. Well, which is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter because in Bangladesh, summer isn't a very friendly season for all, so I like winter a lot. So, may I know what's your favorite sport or do you watch sports? Well, I sometimes like to watch football, but I mostly have interest in badminton, and sometimes I like to play in winter season with my friends at school. So, can you describe your friend within 5 sentences? Mainly, I have a lot of friends in my life, but some of them are like really the best. And friends are like, as we all know, the asset of our life. And as I have many friends, so I have almost a really good relationship and bond with everyone. So they are really, really very close to my heart. In your opinion, do you think it is great to have friends or it is better to be off alone? Obviously, better to have friends than being alone. Because if we have many friends or like more friends. We'll get many advantages, and also our life will be easier in every way.
Okay, who is your most favorite, your mother or father?
As we all answer it, like both of are my favorite. But if I really have to say specifically, then I'll say that it's my mother. She's my most favorite.
Okay, so do you have anything else to ask me?
No, I don't have any other questions to ask you.
All right, it was a great time talking to you. Hope to meet you again one more time. Thank you.
My pleasure.